Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. I am live on YouTube and I am about to go live on TikTok, so bear with me here for a second. But if you are watching right now, hey, 97.8 thousand followers. I need 2,200 followers left on TikTok. Would very much love your support in that. Oh my goodness, $100,000. That's crazy, or 100,000 followers. So hello, Sivas, Justin, Lucci the Gucci, Rel, Double RO, Nick M. Hello, hello. All right, let me go live on TikTok. Finally got a notification. All right, Trias don't know enough, but I have heard that. What's up, everybody? I'm not going to read everyone's name. Sorry. I've heard that it's due for breakout. According to my buddy CVO Crypto, Trias is due for breakout. So, all right, I am going live on TikTok. Love you to Jerry, Texas. Hello, Jorins. All right, give me 1 second here. Let me get set up. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, Everardo? So something interesting that happened earlier today, we got up to what, $63,700. It looked like we were just going to keep pumping. And I've just been saying, man, we're going to be flat till the end of the month. I mean, I'm live on YouTube. Yep. I'm just assuming that we're going to close, a little over $63,000. And then November 1st, I think we're going to pump. Like literally November 1st, maybe November 2nd, but literally November 1st. So, yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I have not paid attention. Litecoin is chill. It's still Bitcoin season. We had a fake out last week. So thoughts on Litecoin in next month? Major cap altcoins are primed right now. So still very bullish. Should I invest money right now? I believe so. I think you should be all in with your fiat by the end of the month. So when should we start accumulating alts? Now is a good time. This last week, I think you should just accumulate alts and Bitcoin, whatever you are looking to buy before the end of the month. So still worth it by HBAR 38 cents. Same deal that I just said. Yeah. Will XLM hit $5? That seems a little high. But Pumpy Dumpy brought thoughts on Win and Ocean. I think Win's going to 10 to 20x still. Ocean, I'm not familiar with Ocean. So what's up, Sambo? Thinking of entering Doge because I missed the SHIB. Yeah, I would do Doge instead of SHIB if it's between those two. Clearly, you like Litecoin and ETH. What are your next favorite alts? OC Pet Doctor, I responded to your question on TikTok. I mean, right now for short term, I'd be looking at something like Telcoin or Zilliqa, or what was the other one that I said in your comment? I don't remember. Price prediction for VET, 50 cents. AMP a buy. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. When do you think ETH will go parabolic, or has it already reached its max for this bull run? I don't think it's reached its max. I think November is going to be a good month, and then December, Bitcoin will peak, and then in January, Ethereum will peak. Do you think AMP will do good this bull run? Yes. When will ADA take off? I think major altcoins will take off. Maybe $1 for Zil, maybe higher, $1.50 or so. I think major altcoins are going to take off early, maybe mid-November. So top 5 alts to buy in the immediate short term: Litecoin, Ethereum, Telcoin, Zilliqa, and I still can't remember. Oh, VRA. VRA was the other one. My dad has been incredibly lucky. It's so infuriating. He made 4 to 5x returns on both Doge and Shiba. Oh, good for your dad. So alt runs peak after ETH, which will be after January, in your opinion? No, I think so. Bitcoin will, if in my opinion, Bitcoin's going to peak in December, like in mid to late December, and then Ethereum has historically peaked 27 days after Bitcoin. And so, but within those 27 days, alts will peak. GSs say ETH 2 to 200K by 23 opinion. 200K sounds crazy, but I was extremely bullish with EIP 3675 coming, ETH 2.0, but it looks like they're having a lot of trouble potentially launching that. Do you think meme coins will pop off this alt season? Some will, some won't. So I've got to ask Alex, do you get tired answering the same question? Yes, I do. Avax price prediction. I hope I didn't miss anything. Yeah, Avax price prediction $200 to $300. Dragon Chain, I don't know anything about Dragon Chain. Is there anything wrong with selling all my coins or using it to re-enter in the bear market? No, not necessarily. It's just different strategies. I'm not planning on doing that. I'm selling maybe 65% of my crypto, but not all of it. So, and prediction 50 cents. Seem IOTA whales paying lots of people to shill. Yes, I am aware of that, and they are paying people to shill. So that would make me want to stay away from that. What do I think about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the best of all time. VRA or Telcoin or Zilliqa. I mean, those are three of my five that I would say to buy short term. I'm not going to choose. I would say to choose between any of them. You think ADA will hit $8 to $10 end of the year? I said $8. I said $8, and I still think so. So good time to buy ADA. Yeah, I think now is a good time to buy major alts. Thoughts on Wink 20x or so? Is Bitcoin BTC N good? I don't know what that is. What was that about IOTA? People are paying influencers to shill IOTA. That's kind of sketchy because they want to pump. What's up, Smiles? Just how about seriously say thanks. You're welcome. Thank you for that nice comment. XRP possibly to $8. I've been saying $8 to $10. Thoughts on Shiba going up? I'm not shocked. You know, I did wonder if Shiba was dead, but hey, great. It's crossed its all-time high. Now I'm going to be buying Shiba in the bear market. I'll buy a ton of Shiba in the bear market. So I still like VXV. Yeah, Litecoin's fine, guys. Major alts are about to pump in a little bit. So give it a couple weeks maybe. Can alts run massively when Bitcoin drops in mid-November? Yeah, people will take their profits out of Bitcoin and put it into alts, but that's not the drop. You know, for those of you listening, that's not the drop. That is Bitcoin reaching like $100,000 and then people taking profits there, putting it in other things. So thoughts on HBAR? I love HBAR. It's a long-term hold for me. $2 this cycle. Sorry, I'm late class in session. Welcome, Darius. What's with the meme coins pumping? Well, I mean, all right, SafeMoon's pump, or sorry, not SafeMoon. What is SafeMoon doing? Is SafeMoon pumping? Because I haven't heard anything about SafeMoon. So, all right, it's up a fair amount. That's interesting to see. So, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. Bro, Bitcoin run still on. Oh, yeah, man. Watch my most recent TikTok. Doge to $1, ETH to 15,000. Litecoin Cash. I didn't know there was a Litecoin Cash. Let's see. I'm not selling till Alex comes on live and says, I'm selling, y'all. I'm just buying every day here and there. There we go. Lossless price prediction. I don't have one, but I think Lossless is going to consolidate for a few days and then pump big time at the end. And maybe in November, too. When's the bear market? I have no, well, no. Oh, sorry. I was thinking of something else. All right. I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December and then enter its bear market after that. And most alts will peak in January. I got a question. I got about 30K in ETH. How do you think it will do in the bear? I think it's best to take some out. I am more interested. I'm thinking more about the possibility of taking more of my ETH out because of the delays with ETH 2.0. So it's unfortunate. I am super bullish on ETH when ETH 2.0 launches, but now they're talking about delaying it until June or July of 2022, which means it's probably not coming until even later than that. So let's see, when will Litecoin pump the most? In November and then at the end. What do you think about VET will reach by the end of the bull run? 50 cents or so? Assemble Protocol, I don't know anything about Assemble Protocol. HBAR price prediction by the end of the bull run, $2. $10 seems ridiculous to me. Any chance Bitcoin pulls back here in the future like 55K? I don't think Bitcoin's going to 55K. I think what we saw over the weekend is the lowest that Bitcoin would go to. Like 50, anytime it got under $59,000, some whales came in and scooped it up. So Algo, $7 or so, $500 in XRP, ADA, or HBAR right now. HBAR. Bear market during tax season, pretty much, yeah. Trias, one of my buddies, CVO Crypto, says that it's about to pump. You know, he looks a lot more at specific charts and everything like that, but I have heard of Pulse Chain. I don't have any, so I'm not paying attention to Trias. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Full system state of fork of ETH. I've heard of it. I'm just not really paying attention to it. What do you think about SHIB? I think SHIB's trash, but I do think it has maybe a 3x left in it. So, Sully, yeah, beer. Can't wait to grab a beer with you, my crypto profits. That would be awesome. Yeah, I know you've been with me since the GME days. That's great. What will we learn in your bear market course? Can't wait. You're going to learn when I think is an ideal time to buy in the bear market and get, I would think that if you followed my instructions for buying in the bear market, that you would get at the very least a 20x on your investment. Yeah, everyone sub to me on YouTube. Thank you, Thite. And I'm happy that you're still here, even after we got in that argument that one time. Will Litecoin reach the all-time high? I think it's going to $1,500. Where I am in New York, every single exchange is unavailable except for Coinbase. Would you recommend CB Pro? Yeah, Adam, I would absolutely recommend CB Pro. For all of you listening on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. I can't keep up with, hey, the Daily Bren, sweet. I am going to be done with my course in about 2 weeks, my bear market buying guide. So I don't remember what I was talking about, but definitely would recommend Coinbase Pro. Yeah. Oh yeah. For those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Can't keep up with the TikTok chat. Thoughts on Coinbase? Coinbase is fine. Their fees are high, but Coinbase Pro's fees are not high. Link $200, $200. Link $100, $200. You think AMP gets past $1? It's possible. It's possible. With ETH 2.0 not coming this year, what's your price prediction for ETH now? 15,000. That was irrespective of ETH 2.0. What I thought would happen with ETH 2.0 is that Ethereum would have a second peak in 2023. I'm not sure now. How can I buy Shiba in New York? I don't know. My YouTube right behind me, World War Bitcoin. Search for it on YouTube. Let's see. Yeah, Coinbase Pro is way better than Coinbase. When will you release the bear market strategy? 2 weeks from now. Thank you, Oscar. Prediction for ICP, maybe like $200 to $300. Same boat, Shan, at 369. I'm not. Oh, is that for? I don't know what that is. What platform can you short on though? KuCoin. You can short on KuCoin, and I probably will be doing some of that. So thank you for calling me the best, Arvid. I love a smart short king. Okay. Any significant dips before its peaks? No, I don't think anything significant's coming. I think we're just going to be flat until the end of the month, and in September, literally, I think November 1st, we're going to pump. Smash up that like button on YouTube. Double tap the screen. Really appreciate it. On TikTok, Colorado Blue, what's up? Algorand $7. Safe Moon going to its all-time high. I don't know, man. What's up, CVO Crypto? Follow CVO Crypto. You think? Yeah, I still think ETH can hit 15K. CVO Crypto is more bullish than I am on everything except for Ethereum. He says 13K. So we'll see. Yeah, when do I think Litecoin will start to pump? I think it's going to have a pump in November and then a huge pump in January. Difference between CB and CB Pro fees. How much is your course going to cost? $27, Angly Chinaman. Pulse Chain, again, I have not looked a ton into Pulse Chain. I have Hex. That's enough Richard Hart for me. How do you think this bear market will be different from previous bear markets? Is it going to be similar or less pullback? I think it's going to be slightly less. Very, very slightly less, but I think it's still going to be rough. Matic to $4. I'm saying $8. What do you think? How long this bear market will last? I think it's going to be a little bit shorter than the last one. I think things are going to heat up again in, at the next Bitcoin halving. Is Pi Coin legitimate? I don't know, man. I'm so tired of Pi. I decided today to just stop mining Pi on my phone because is it actually going to be worth something? And maybe it will. Yes, Collector's Corner. You found Cryptalk. And I am the man you need to find on Cryptalk. I'm telling you, follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Should I spot trade or go long? I would say spot trade. Get KuCoin in New York. Just don't KYC. Yes, there we go, Steve. VChain to 50 cents. I have not looked at Strong. Sorry. FTM in one. Good. Yeah, I think both of those will pump a decent amount. Yeah. The Smart Short King comment. OMG. Okay. I just have Bitcoin and ETH. What other crypto should I buy for a short squeeze? I mean, I've been saying Litecoin, but I'm also adding right now to that my suggestions of buying VRA, Zilliqa, and what was the other one? Shoot, I don't remember the other one. What's a good Litecoin price under $200? So 473 viewers on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, I'm telling you. Please give us a date for bear market. I think Bitcoin's peaking on December 21st, give or take a few days. Made $200 on some crap coins, ADA or XLM. XLM. Save a spot for your course. Thank you. Thank you, Lucci the Gucci. Thank you, Arvid. Let's see. Is 40,000 AMP good? Yeah, I mean, it depends on how big your portfolio is. I mean, if that's your entire portfolio, I would say diversify a little bit. Is Pi Coin tradable on BSC? I did not know that. Okay. Maybe. Shiba, again, I'm not a huge fan of Shiba. I don't think it has much more to pump this run. So let's see. I know you like blockchain backer, but he says top of Bitcoin will come around 72 to 80K. Why do you disagree? Blockchain backer, I love blockchain backer, but he is an XRP guy. His thesis. Now, this is very important for those of you who follow the blockchain backer because of me. His thesis is that Bitcoin does not have 4-year bull runs. It's like he thinks it's more like 6 or 7 years. It doesn't make any sense to me. He thinks Bitcoin is going to go down to the teens like 2 years from now. It's like I don't see it. So best crypto lending platforms, maybe Celsius. Oh, thank you so much, Emilio, for that super chat. Really appreciate it. I know you, let's see. We still thinking crab until the end of the month. Yes, I am thinking crab until the end of the month. So I like Zilliqa now, time to buy. All right, listen guys, I'm not really paying much attention to fundamentals anymore for the rest of this run. I like Zilliqa because I'm looking at the charts and I'm like, okay, I think this thing's ready to do some things here. So what coin should we be buying? Litecoin, Zilliqa, AMP, lots. There's lots of cryptos that would be good to buy. Let's see. When do you think will be the top for alts in January? It just, I think they'll top throughout the month. Is there a risk to staking your crypto? I want to stake my crypto for the bear market. There's not really a risk, no. Oscar, I think you should. I mean, I'm not buying any crypto for long-term holds that first year after the peak. And so I would recommend something similar. So love you. Thanks. Love you too. Second, ask about ICP. About a while ago, I'm down. Would you sell? No. And I already answered the question, Shan, about ICP. And I think ICP is still going to go up. So I'm not a huge fan of it. But again, fundamentals pretty much don't matter right now. I mean, there's one thing that matters. If you hear positive news about a crypto you hold, it's going to pump because we're in a bull market. 15,000 ETH by March. I'm saying January. I did not get the XRP airdrop. What? Litecoin, VRA, Intel. Yeah, there we go. Did CVO get banned from TikTok? Yeah, it's from TikTok until November. Yeah, yes. Hello, will get Bitcoin drop in the immediate short term? I think we're just going to hang around $63,000, give or take a couple $1,000s for the rest of the month. And then November 1st, Bitcoin, I believe, will pump. Literally, I'm talking November 1st. Am I getting I'm getting a telephone call. Okay, anyway. VeChain 50 cents. Is 30 Litecoin enough when it peaks? I mean, it just depends, again, on your budget, on your portfolio. Alex, waiting on that course, what are some low cap gems you like? Yeah, I mean, VRA is a big one because it's very well known, but it's under a $1 billion market cap. Price prediction for KCS. I think KCS is going to pump. And I think a lot of people are being turned on to KuCoin right now, and KCS will pump as a result. Thank you, Crypto Pancake. Ethereum Classic price target higher than its current all-time high, maybe like $300 or so. Thank you, Justin Thomas. Let's see. I answered that question, Robert. Can't wait for the course. First course I'm ever going to buy since I trust you. Courses for me are a bit sketchy. Yeah. I mean, that's why I'm only charging $27. I'm sure I could charge, I could charge more than that. I could charge like $97 or $300, but $27. AMP to $2 this run. That sounds a little high for me. Doge, I'm 60%. How are you 67% down? Okay. Anyway, I think it's going back. How high will Polkadot go? $200. Bro, just logged on, just got some Phantom. Any good? Yeah, Phantom is pumping like crazy, and I think it still does have some room to go. You don't trust guys with courses. Okay, I'm not going to give away the course for free. If you buy the course for $27, you will get more value out of it than if I give it to you for free. I'm sorry. And I am putting work into it. I could have made $200,000 on these meme coins that they've been offering me to shill, and I haven't accepted any of that. I make like $500 a month. Okay, I'm not a scam artist. I knew that people were going to say that. Okay, listen, I could be retired right now if I did the sketchy thing that like people like Pablo did in pumping those meme coins. Do you think Bitcoin will drop anytime soon? I sold mine at 40K and regret it. Oh man. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I don't think it's going to drop that much. Thank you. One of your courses is $499. I don't have any courses right now, Matt. I have one. I'm working on a course, a bear market buying guide that will 20x your portfolio, and I haven't finished it. What are you talking about? $499. Yeah, Polkadot to $200. Top 5 altcoins. I answered that. BCB only focuses on charts. That's a good comment, VFam, and that's a reason why there's other things that he's not including, but I still like him a lot. I bought Cardano at $2. Should I keep until $7 to $10? And Doge at 25 cents. Fan Nissan, I think it'll go up. Yeah. Is this course for everyone? Yeah, I mean, all right, no more talking about my course. I haven't even finished it. So how many X in Zilliqa? Maybe a 10X. So wait. So as long as we don't verify on KuCoin, we are good to trade on in the US. Yes, I downloaded KuCoin this past weekend. I was just like, all right, everyone's in, I'm in. And I didn't have to verify, but there's a few limitations, but not a ton. Let's see, how high could LSS run? $100. That sounds a little high. Isn't LSS at like $4 right now? That sounds high. Yeah, DOT to $200 in my opinion. I bought Doge when it was on peak. Yeah, you should have been watching my TikTok channel because I said I made a video and I said if you buy Dogecoin right now, you are an idiot. I wish that this course I hear so much about. I wish that wasn't the case. That you had been. What am I doing? I'm not going there. LSS crypto price. Let's see. Are you going to try and catch the alt season with your profits? Yeah. Oh yeah. All right. LSS is $1.85. It's not going $100 in my opinion. Blockchain Boy said Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin got it max 2x in this bull market. I trust me over the Blockchain Boy when it comes to Bitcoin. Trust the Blockchain Boy for all of those coins that he gets into that's going to pump. Trust him for NFTs, and really, I mean, anything he talks about, it's going to do well because he's talking about it. But with me, you should listen to me about Bitcoin. Do you recommend taking out loans using DeFi platforms? I saw a TikToker do this, and they said they don't pay taxes on this, so I'm confused on how that works. Yeah, you don't pay taxes on loans, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take loans against my crypto. I'm not going to sell it. So, oh my goodness, what did you say? This guy can 100C your money, but needs to sell a court. Okay, anyway. All right, you should just follow me on TikTok and let my videos do the talking. How high will November? Bad, good, great. November is going to be a great month. November will be great. So vet price prediction 50 cents. If XRP will not end with SEC, can still go to this bull run at $8. I believe so. Yeah. Thoughts on Shiba? I'm not a huge fan of Shiba, but I do think it's going to 3x or so. Do you think I should buy one coin back now? One coin. I think now is a good time in general to buy. WI, okay, price predictions on Zilliqa, $1, $1.50, something like that. What do you think of Cake? I love Cake. I have Cake is my third biggest holding behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm staking it. I believe that it's going to $100 this cycle. HBAR and Quant, those are both. Those are top 7 for me. I love HBAR and Quant. I don't do Quant predictions. SafeMoon's trash. It might be dead. It's probably not dead. How much are you selling of your ETH? I mean, I've been saying 5%, but it's probably going to be a little more than that because of ETH 2.0 being delayed. Why? So is VRA a good buy now? I mean, I think most cryptos are a good buy. What I like about VRA is that it's well known and its market cap is small. So I think it could pump a lot. Who blocked you? Somebody blocked you? What would your high XX coin be from here on? It's probably, probably getting on some coin I've never heard of, and that'll do much higher. Thoughts on you mean lossless? There's still plenty of room up for lossless, but stay away for the short term. Filecoin don't know enough. MTV don't know enough. Will ETH hit 12 to 15K by November or January? I'm saying January. So you hold anything that you think will 50 to 100x? No, I don't think any of my holdings will 50 to 100x. But there's probably some micro caps that will 50 to 100x. Thank you, Emilio. I'm not going to charge $100. $27 is the lowest price that I believe I could charge. What's up, crypto newbie? That will make you value the content. So 70K port, I have 25% ETH, 15% Bitcoin, and the rest alts. So I get more into alts and run with Bitcoin and ETH and sell alts and the alts on the way up. Yeah, Joseph, that's not a bad idea. If you're going to do some trading, yeah, sell into alt. Yep. Do you think I should buy Bitcoin? One Bitcoin is 45,000. Bitcoin's at 62,000. So just leave this people. Okay, what should I do with my Cardano? Hold on to it, but then sell it at the end. Does Quant have anything left? Yeah, I think Quant's going to be fine. So please don't spam. Do you think Strong is overvalued? Don't know enough. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Yeah, thank you, Oscar. I'm going back down to the bottom of the YouTube chat. I'm really sorry about that. Thank you, C. Kerboy. Audius, I don't have a price target. Solana, $600. Matic, $8. I have 90% Bitcoin and the rest in alt. What? Yeah, that's fine. You should hold on to your ADA and sell at the end, gamer girl. What makes you think Theta will moon all the way up to $50 in January? TA patents, Hollywood NFTs. Thanks. I just think Theta is going to do what pretty much everything else is going to do. So, vet to 50 cents. 3 low cap gens, VRA. Zilliqa. I don't know how low cap Zilliqa is, but I'll stop there. How are you handling your taxes when you take profits? I'm going to I'm going to cover that another time. There's a company that I am partnering with, and I'm going to do I'm going to let them handle my crypto taxes. So $20 LSS, maybe. Oh man, $20. That still sounds a little high if their market cap is at $40 million, or what was it, 400 million? That seems a little high. I need apps to get me in earlier. Yeah. Mina? Do you mean Mina? I'm bullish on Mina long term. No price prediction short term or medium term. Do you think there will be a leverage liquidation crash like in September anytime soon? Not right now. Leverage has been shaken out a decent amount. But yeah, I think people are going to leverage up pretty badly, and there's going to be a lot of volatility as a result of that. How many hours will you have your course? I'm going to keep on adding to my course. So it'll at least be 3 hours when I launch it. So ETH prediction for November. I think ETH is going to see a new all-time high in November, maybe get up to $5,000-$6,000. Thoughts on Mana? I love Mana. Decentraland gaming NFTs makes a ton of sense. Very bullish. No price predictions though. I have looked into FCL a little bit, but I don't have any predictions or anything like that. Yeah, Crypto Weatherman's been talking about it, which means that it's going to pump, this week or so. Constellation DAG is on my list of things to research. I don't know enough. So can you research CKB in the bear market? I will. Lossless prediction. It still has plenty of room in it, but thank you, Mitchell. But I don't have a prediction. Doge to $1. Haka, I don't know. Litecoin, $1,500. ADA, $8. Stellar, $2 to $3. Got 300 ADA or XLM. I would say XLM. Can you do a TikTok on trustworthy DeFi platforms and an explanation on taking out loans? Maybe not a TikTok, Oscar, but maybe eventually a YouTube video. Timeline when course comes out, two weeks or so. What should I do with Litecoin? Hold on to it and buy more if you can. Can you make a video? Yeah, I answered that. I answered that on. I'll make a YouTube video about that. Top 20 coin that will move the most. Top 20? Oh, top 20 coin. Yeah, Litecoin. FTM. I don't have an FTM prediction, but higher. Gonna see your 10 minutes video, your video first. Okay. Just join. What's your thoughts on AMP at the end of the cycle? 50 cents. Feel good about VRA short term. I would say Ethereum and large alts, I feel better about short term, but the course is gonna launch but VRA will pump in November. I believe VRA will pump. Isn't DeFi risky once you enter a bear market? I mean, I wouldn't take out any loans for the first year or so. So LSS market cap is like 40 million. Oh, it's only 40 million. Okay. I thought somebody said it was 400 million. 40 million. Yeah, it could have do much better, If you get a loan on crypto and the price drops after what happens, you just got to pay your loan back. That's all, That's all. you got to pay it back over time. You sign a contract, you agree to that. So Doge buyer, you need a DCA. Sure. Yeah. Bro, any thoughts on Plan B stock to flow charts? I love Plan B. I think he's been on point lately. He said worst case scenario for August would be 47,000. We closed a little bit above that. September 43,000. We closed a little bit above that. Now he's saying, he said 63,000. This was in June. He said 63,000 for October, and we're right on track. He said 96,000 for November, and again we're right on track. So. Let's see. You're welcome, Bonze 14. Wow. Okay. What's up, Nix? Please don't spam though. You mentioned in another live that it's not good to wait for the peak of Litecoin because it'll be quick. I don't think I did mention that, but I do think that you should take profits regularly. I mean, I'm selling all of my Litecoin at the end. How will Bitcoin react when Americans fail to raise the debt ceiling? They're not going to fail to raise the debt ceiling. They never fail to raise the debt ceiling. I've been watching the debt ceiling for over a decade. That's a funny question. What price do you think ETH would dip to in the bear market? I mean, they might fail to raise the debt ceiling for like a few days, and then we're going to see these sob stories of government employees who are out of work. And it's Christmas. You know, I can't buy Christmas presents for my dear little children. And then they're going to fold, and they're going to. Do I take vacations? Not really. They're going to fold. The government's going to fold, and they'll raise the debt ceiling. So, am I doing a pre-sale for my course? No, I'm just going to launch it. But ETH in the bear market, I mean, if there's no ETH 2.0, I think ETH will go down to like $2,500 or $3,000, maybe even lower than that. Radix, I don't know enough about it. Sorry. What's going to pump this week? I think we're going to be flat the rest of the week, and then next week things will start to pump, starting with Bitcoin. VET 50 cents, AMP 50 cents. Is it a bad idea to borrow against your coins to reinvest? To reinvest, that's kind of interesting. Oh man, that could be an infinite loop. I don't know. That kind of seems kind of scary. Just received a sum of money and whacked into ETH, bring my average price to 3K. Just wondering if you think it would dip below 3K in the bear market. I just answered that. So must be happy we beat Man United 5-0. Man, Liverpool beat Man United 5-0. That's so depressing to me. I hate Liverpool, but I love you. If you love Liverpool, I love you. And I don't hate any players. I mean, Firmino's kind of punchable. Well, other than that, even though IOTA have paid people to promote, is it still good? Yeah, IOTA is a good cryptocurrency. Why don't you start a mutual fund? Sure, I guess. Safest method to fund KuCoin: transfer other crypto from another platform into KuCoin. Pay no attention to the course haters. Thank you. Thank you so much, Skank2Dis. Thank you, Susie. Justin, fund KuCoin with XLM, no cost. There we go. Let's see. Even though IOTA I answered that. Ergo long-term, no info about Ergo, sorry. 500 in HBAR, Zilliqa, AMP, or Litecoin. Between those, Litecoin. And then the thing is, like the smaller cap coins are going to have very quick peaks, and you're not going to be able to time the peak. Have I checked out Troller? No. If you had to pick one to hold for 10 years, VET or ADA, I'd say ADA. Definition of spamming, asking the same question over and over. Yeah, Sambo. Yep. Litecoin or XLM. Litecoin. What do you think about the XRP buyback news? I haven't heard about that. I'll look into that. Thank you, Autumn Marie. Really appreciate that. How will you stop people recording the course and reloading it? I won't. If they do that, I'll be sad, but I'm not, whatever. I mean, I'd be fine giving that information out for free. Honestly, like there's two reasons why I'm going to charge that small amount for it. Thank you for those sunglasses. Is one, if I gave it for free, you'd never watch it. Like you'd watch maybe one or two videos and you wouldn't gain the value out of it. But two, I forgot number two. Never mind. Let's see. Will you still be giving out advice during the bear market regardless of the course? Yes, I will. Messi or Ronaldo? I'm Portuguese. Come on. What, are you from the UK? No, but I'm a huge football fan, English football fan. So Solana price target $600. I didn't watch the game, so I don't have any thoughts on Ronaldo, how he acted. Hollow prediction, end of year, 10 to 20x. ICP thoughts. I'm not a fan of the team, but ICP fundamentally is strong, and I think it's going to go to $200, $300 or so. Let's see. What's your Ethereum target by end of 2022 in Bitcoin? Bitcoin, like $50,000. Ethereum, 2,500. I am Portuguese. Yeah, falas português. Start a membership. Mentorship. No. It just like, I'd rather like shoot myself. Yeah, Quant does what Quant does. Yes. Bought Bitcoin at 53,200 pounds. When would you sell it? What's your recommendation? I have 1K worth. I mean, my answer is to never sell, but my second answer would be December, mid to late December. I don't know anything about Cadena. So Brady, 600 touchdowns. Yes, sir. Thank you, Cryptomaniac 369. My portfolio at the moment is Link, Quant, Solana, and Dot. How would you rate it? I think I love all of those. Never borrow money to chase a candle. There we go. XLM, $2 to $3. Thank you, Cryptomaniac, for those roses. Packers or Cardinals this Thursday? You know what? I'm going to go with Cardinals. Sorry, no, I'm going to go with Packers. I think the Cardinals are due for a loss. No one mentions helium. Thoughts? I can't wait to get my hands on some helium miners. I am bullish long-term on helium. Matic, AMP, or Algo. Matic and Algo I kind of see doing similar things. AMP will, I think, do better over the short term, but sell it all at the end. I have 12K diversified on HBAR, Litecoin, Dot, and Solana. Should I just put all into Litecoin for maximum gains? Nope. Maybe a little bit into, no. Actually, no. Just do that, because what if I'm wrong? What if I'm wrong? So XRP, $8 to $10. How much of your ETH or Bitcoin will you sell? A little bit of my ETH, none of my Bitcoin. I love you, bro. United is a common enemy. There we go. Okay. Have you heard about the Coinbase card? Would this buy pay as past tax? I have not heard of it. I mean, I think I can understand what it is, but I have not heard of it really all that much. So, okay. How long would you wait to get back in the market after the crash? If you're buying for long-term holds, I think you should wait about a year. And you'll see that in my bear market buying guide. But, hey, what's up, Roosevelt? Good to see you again, man. But there's going to be plenty of opportunities to make money in the bear market. I mean, there's very clear indicators as to where Bitcoin will go after its peak. The big thing, if you're into Fibonacci retracement levels, what Bitcoin will do in its bear market is it'll go down pretty hard, and then it'll bounce up to the 702 Fibonacci retracement level and get rejected there. So yeah, I think XRP will pump to $8 to $10. Link $100. Should I sell my 1K worth of Bitcoin and buy Lite instead? I would not say to do that. I mean, I'm never in favor of selling my Bitcoin. Not keeping most of your ETH through the bear. No, I am. Avax price targets, I think 200 to 300, something like that. I don't remember what I had for that. What do you predict is crashing? I mean, all right, I think things are going to pump like crazy over the next couple months, but then they're going to crash. So, I think Bitcoin's going to hit $200,000 and then it's going to crash. So I'll sign up for your class. Thank you, William. Really appreciate that. Devontae Adams out with COVID. Oh, maybe. All right, never mind. I'm picking the Cardinals. What would you take profits on all? When would you take profits on alts? Very often on the way up. But hey, Joshua DeBoer. All right, imagine having a TikTok crypto talk in 2013. Yeah. Just on the way up, and then, man, I just plan on selling all of it at the end, no matter when it is, after the peak, before the peak, whenever. So for my alts, for my smaller cap altcoins. Mr. Rolo Dolo, I would just hold it in Bitcoin. I mean, no, if 90% is in Bitcoin, yeah, I'd spread it out a little bit. I hate saying that because I hate telling people to sell their Bitcoin. Will Harmony 1 continue to rise? Yes. Any KuCoin gems? I'm not the guy for that. I bought one on Saturday. I don't even remember what it was, honestly. So thoughts on parabolic Litecoin 300 prediction? No. So examples of smaller alts you're selling. I have 30 different cryptocurrencies. I'm selling all of them except for my Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then I'm selling like half of my Binance, half of my Chainlink, and then none of my HBAR, but I don't have a ton of HBAR. Do you think BNB is a good hold? Yes, sir. All right, and Lou, let me tell you something else about parabolic. I love parabolic signals. He's a really smart guy. He knows charts better than I do. And we disagreed on what the bottom was going to be for Bitcoin. I said right around $30,000 was the bottom. And it's just, guys, I know Bitcoin. It's like I am so in tune with Bitcoin. I am a one-trick pony, okay? I am not in tune with anything else. You should take my advice for alts with a grain of salt. I am basing it all off of Bitcoin. But I would dare you to find somebody on TikTok, especially on TikTok, who is more in tune with Bitcoin right now. And I know I was just talking about Litecoin, but I'm very confident about Litecoin. Do you still think ADA is going to $8? Yes. Oh my goodness, I'm so far behind. Love your honest answers. Thank you, NoobTube. Is Solana still got room to grow? Yes. Yeah, I think it's going to $600 or so. I might have missed your explanation on Hex. Do you have any input? I just don't know if it's a scam. I own some. It's done very well, and so maybe that's clouding my judgment. Pablo, I don't know what you're saying. When are you selling half? Like December, January, but on the way up as well. Is the next bull run on 2024? Yes, Stonksbra. GGMU, not sure what that is. Will Polkadot make any lower this week? I think it's going to be flat. I think most crypto is going to be flat for the rest of the week. So got to ask about Doge to dollar, ICP. Thank you, Jay Rett. Do you like HBAR or Polkadot more? HBAR, ICP, $200 to $300. For little guys investing under $500, safer to wait for the bear or for Bitcoin or buy now. If you're buying for long-term holds, the bear market, you'll get lower prices than the bear market, in my opinion. When does crypto winter start and end? I think we're peaking in December for Bitcoin and alts for in January. And then there's going to be different times that will be good times to buy. We'll poke it out. Yeah, I answered that. But all right, Deadly Rusty Spork. If you want to buy for short-term gains, then do it. I think it will do well. Bitcoin crash prediction. Cash prediction, will it reach 3K previous high? I don't think Bitcoin Cash is going to its previous high. Should we risk per se, sell a little at 100K and wait on a 25% pullback and buy back, or is the risk too big just in case it goes parabolic? I'd say the risk is too big, regular people like me and you, we don't do well timing stuff like that. So the risk is big. So can you explain bear and bull market? Bear is down, bull is up. That's all I'll say. There was a thread saying that we wouldn't have as bad of a bear market due to market maturing. What are your thoughts on that? I disagree. I think the more mature market, what the whales will do and what the smart money will do is that they will see an opportunity to make just as much money on the way down as they did on the way up. So I think it's going to be a little bit worse. No, or sorry, a little bit better than the last bear market. But yeah, will Bitcoin Cash reach at least 2K? Yeah, I could see 2K. You stake a coin for 3 months. Can you add to it afterwards? Yes, sure. Drink some water before you dehydrate. My lips are getting dry. I know that. Do you think ADA is still going to $8? Yes. I don't know if I should take profits on my XRP at something. It just depends. When's the SEC suit going to be ended? Got here since Jack got blocked. I don't even know who Jack is, but I love you too, Adam. So after a pump in November from a few alts, will they dump a bit before January goes sideways? In general, I think they'll go sideways, but then there's going to be plenty of pumps. So how long will Bitcoin go in the bear market? How low? I think around $50,000. It just depends on what that 200-week simple moving average gets to. Worst Man United performance ever seen. Yes. What will 2023 and 2024 look like in your opinion? I think those are phenomenal times to buy. Nobody's going to be interested in crypto in 2023. That is the time to buy. When to take profits on SHIB regularly, but I think it'll peak in January like most other things. Pape listed on CMC and FTX. Cool. Thoughts on BNB price predictions like $1,500. I love BNB though. BNB is a beast. It's a behemoth. It's going to continue to grow. It's going to continue to consume things in the world and in the universe. Opinion on Ethereum Classic versus ETH. Ethereum Classic will outperform ETH on the way up, but also on the way down. It's gonna dump much harder than regular ETH. So do you like ADA or Solana? I like Solana a ton, and I kind of like ADA. If you sell Bitcoin at the top. All right, sorry, I gotta block somebody on YouTube. All right, sorry about that. Oh my goodness, there's so many of you. Give me a second. I gotta block people on YouTube. I am live on YouTube, by the way. Do I keep my money in Solana or should I move to Litecoin? If you don't own any Litecoin, yeah, buy some Litecoin. Sell BNB or ETH to get others. Maybe. Buying puts in Riot, easy money. Man, Riot's kind of struggling, but I don't know about buying puts right now. Maybe at the peak. Thoughts on VRA? I'm very bullish on VRA short term. I don't have a price prediction. Thank you so much, Emilio. Sorry, I'm going back down to the bottom of the chat. These spammers got me messed up here. Thoughts on Algo, $7. Phantom and Luna prediction. I don't have a Phantom prediction. But hey, what's up, South Africa? Buy a donkey. Buy a coat. That's all the Afrikaans I know. When and what price do you think Bitcoin will peak? $200,000 middle to end of December. Luna to $100, by the way. Maybe get a mod on YouTube. Yeah, I have a mod, but I haven't seen him in a while, so I'll consider doing that for... There's some people who I will definitely do that. What makes you more money on lives, YouTube or TikTok? Here to support the grind. YouTube because of advertisements. I make money on the ads. I don't make a ton, but yeah, I make $500 a month or so doing this. What's up, Nemo Does Gaming? I don't have Catgirl. Who has Catgirl? I don't. So... Oh my goodness, what was I just saying? So I'm launching a course and it's coming out in a couple weeks. And you know what? If you're going to hate me for that, whatever. Why won't you sell much ETH? because of ETH supply, it's drying up on exchanges. But I've got 5K cash on the side. Give me your 5 favorite alt. Ethereum, Binance, Litecoin, Chainlink, HBAR, Solana, and Quant. Hey man, what do you think of Digital Pound Foundation? I don't know anything about that. Is it possible that people will also try to sell in January? Should I just sell before Bitcoin peaks just so I don't get burned? There's going to be, hey, everybody listen to me right now. There's going to be some regret in any direction. You're either going to sell too early, you're not going to sell, or you're going to sell too late. You are not going to sell at the perfect time, and you're going to have some regret. I am also going to have some regret, and it's just one of those things. Just be okay with that when that time comes. And so whether you sell early or sell late, just don't be a bag holder at the end. Repeat the 5 again. I said 6. Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Solana, and Quant. So you won't sell any Bitcoin. I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin. You're just going to make a video on taxes? No, I'm not making any videos on taxes. Consult a tax professional. I'm sorry. Good exit strategies. I made a video on exit strategies. Check it out on TikTok. Have a ton of friends loading up on Shiba and BKKT right now. Okay. That's communication to me. Stay away. But anyway, thoughts should wait for a dip to buy. No, get all in. Whatever fiat you have that you're looking to put in, get in by the end of the month. All right. Are the Dallas Cowboys going to the Super Bowl? The Cleveland Browns are going to the Super Bowl. I got to go to the bathroom real quick. That was a joke. Anyway, hey. All right, Bitcoin's going a little crazy right now. Anyway, do you think inflation will make crypto be adopted sooner? I mean, it's helping, but we'll see. Can you make a video explaining how to buy from KuCoin? Maybe on TikTok. Maybe on YouTube. I don't want to get banned on TikTok. Anytime I make a how-to video on TikTok, it gets removed. So how high can Bitcoin Cash reach? Maybe $2,000. Let's see. Crow prediction, 50 cents. Boot the haters. I'm too busy. Phantom higher, no price prediction. If you know that Bitcoin is going to crash, why not sell and buy at the bottom? Gamer Girl, I get that question all the time. I don't want to mess around with it. I'm sorry. I mean, if you sell your Bitcoin at the top, yeah, Lancaster, I understand. But guys, if you sell your Bitcoin at the top, I think you'll be fine. If I were to sell my Bitcoin at the top, I think I'll be fine. I just don't want to mess around with it. And here's the deal. Like, you know, these Bitcoin mining companies are going to get pushed out by countries. Countries are going to mine Bitcoin. The last 40 years that Bitcoin gets mined from 2100 to 2140, countries will be working to mine 1 Bitcoin. And if I own 1 Bitcoin, I am owning something that countries 100 years from now are going to work 40 years to mine. I just don't want to mess with that, you know? So anyway, I love you all. When can we expect Litecoin to reach all-time high? January. Thank you, Alan. Whew. All right, finally I'm live. Yeah, it's been, oh man, I'm so far behind. Good evening, Tezos. Price prediction. I'm sorry, I don't have one. Top 5 light and long-term hold: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. That was a joke about the Browns. Thank you. Preach it. Yes, thank you. It's a good time to buy Bitcoin now. I would buy it before the end of the month. Why would anybody hate you? You provide a service in crypto. Thank you, William Banks. Yeah, it's just, I'm a straightforward kind of guy. I tell it like it is, and some people don't like that. Should I buy Chainlink now? Yeah, I mean, Chainlink's having a decent day, but I think it's going $100 or so. Thank you, Daily Bren. VChain, 50 cents. Audio, don't know enough really, especially about price predictions. Should I sell my ADA for Litecoin or something else? Yeah, I don't think ADA has much left in it as far as this bull run is concerned. It's 100x from its bear market bottom. But yeah. So in general, yes. If you don't own any Litecoin, let's see. Filecoin and Telcoin predictions. I don't have predictions for either of those. I'm bullish on both. Where to buy your course? I'll be very clear about that. There'll be a website. Thoughts on Cadena? Don't know enough. Sorry. Will Bitcoin fail before the end of the month? No, I don't. Well, if you're talking about fall, no. I think we're just going to be flat for the rest of the month. But November 1st, guys, listen to me. Remember that I'm telling you this. November 1st or 2nd, Bitcoin's going to pump like crazy. Why would anyone? Oh, yeah, answered that. Let's see. Finally, I'm live. How do you get your price predictions? Do you chart them? I start with Bitcoin, and I focus on fundamentals with other cryptos, and I take into consideration a whole bunch of things. I can't take the time to explain that. Thoughts on Harmony? Don't know enough. I do know a decent amount, but no price predictions. Bullish though. Bullish. Xcur. Yeah, I know a lot of people have been talking about that. I think it had its pump, and it'll pump more later, but. Thank you, Raf Khan. You're welcome to OU Shivik. I wait a little bit on Xcur, I think. Why do people have an issue with you doing a course? Yeah, I'm putting in hours and hours of work, and it's like I would love to turn this into full-time income, but anyway, basically nothing, just reach charts and Fibonacci's them. This isn't new. Okay, flow babies, yeah. How come TikTok is 5 minutes away from YouTube? What? Is it? I don't know. You can mod me if you want. There's some people that I have in mind who have been on my channel for a while, but thank you, NoobTube. MX here about XRP on KuCoin. Is it an asset and not in the market? Let's see. I'm not sure what you said. I didn't know that I can put it. I'm not sure what you're saying, Mark. Sorry, for those of you on YouTube, I'm going back down to the bottom of the chart. In which month will Bitcoin Cash peak? Probably January or so. How do you like XYO? I like it. I do it. The cost is $27 for my course. Thank you, Dave. $69.69. Thoughts on algo? Bullish, $7 or so. What if you take profits on Litecoin and it drops 20%? Should I reinvest? No. When you sell your Litecoin, just be done. Just be done. So I'm sitting tight on all. Be done until like a year later. Sitting tight on all things into December, then selling right before Christmas and having a good one. Yeah, there we go. Am I available one-on-one? No. It's torture for me. I'm sorry. I could not charge enough to do one-on-one. Pause, wait till bear run, then starts dollar cost averaging again. I'm sitting, all right. Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying, William Banks. Yes. Green Moon, nothing. What's your background in crypto? I was an economics major in college, and I've been in investments for a little over a decade. Been in crypto since 2013. Let's see. If you set a stop limit or stop loss on an exchange, so you don't have time to sell, is it possible to get pushed off of the price and become a bag holder? I don't know, Adam. I don't know. I don't do stop losses because it's just too volatile. I mean, what am I going to do? A 20% stop loss? Bitcoin could dump 20% on a Tuesday. That's what you call Tuesday. Why sell Litecoin? Because Litecoin is a short-term play. Litecoin's going to dump really hard at the end, like 95%. Shiba, I don't love Shiba. What's up, Tactical Mofungo? Should I DCA or would that mess up my current gains? You should be all in by the end of the month. ICP, yeah, it'll be fine. I'm bullish on ICP. Should I sell my BNB to buy low cap, ZIL, Rune, FTM? I wouldn't be opposed to just getting a few low caps. Yeah. I mean, if it's BNB or if it's something else, yeah. But not right now. I would say large cap cryptos are going to pump first. So given Solana's all-time high today, would you still buy or invest elsewhere? In general, I would invest elsewhere. I mean, I told people to buy Solana when it was at $20, and I just think it's done a ton, Litecoin, $1,500. Can you speak more on Litecoin? I made a video. It's pinned on my TikTok. All right, let's see. Why am I so optimistic on Win? Maybe I'm just optimistic in general on crypto. It is. Win is deflationary, but it has a function. So just very bullish on Win. Will larger caps like VET pump first before HBAR and VXV? HBAR is a large cap. But yeah, before those will pump before VXV. I was planning on taking those profits from VET and trying to put more into HBAR before it pumps more. I mean, I think HBAR and VET will pump around the same time. Does Dogecoin need Elon or is it independent like Shiba? Dogecoin doesn't need Elon. Do you own any Matic? Yeah, I like Matic. $8 or so. $8 for Cardano. What happened to hating ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns? I still do. But just looking at numbers, I'm a numbers guy, So thank you, Rachel. Oh, man, really appreciate that. Let's see. When will you start the course? I think you said when the bear starts. No, I'm going to be done in a couple weeks. Let's see. If you're getting into crypto now, better to get into Bitcoin or alts. If you're just getting into crypto, I would start with Bitcoin and Ethereum and do as much as possible to learn as much as you can about other cryptos, but start with Bitcoin and ETH. I have not looked into the graph. Sorry. Chainlink long-term. Chainlink's a long-term hold for me. Is Solana a good long-term hold? I would say so in general, yes. Solana, I think, is going to be worth 4 years from now what Ethereum is worth now. I am very excited about buying a ton of Solana in the bear market. I'm hoping to put 6 figures into Litecoin in the bear market. So why did Litecoin barely hit its 2013 peak in 2017? I mean, that's the case with a lot of altcoins right now. So will XRP crash big in bear market? It just depends. When's that SEC suit going to end? I could see it having an independent pump in the bear market. I already answered that, Luke J. DOT to $200. Can HBAR go lower than the 50? I don't know what the 55 EMA is. Sorry. XRP value is froze at purchase on KuCoin. It's not reacting to pumps and dips. I did not know this. Can I move it? Sure. I mean, you could move it. What do you anticipate your first trade to be? My first trade? I'm not sure what you're asking, Adam. Thoughts on Haka? CVO Crypto thinks it'll 500x? Oh, man. CVO Crypto is more bullish than I am. I don't own any VRA, but I am still bullish. KDA bullish, and I've heard some other people talk about it. I'm not, Cadena, I'm not really... 6 figures of light for light and bear. No. I'm putting 6 figures into Solana in the bear market. How much will VET reach? 50 cents. Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. But man, 500x. I mean, there may be cryptos that 500x between now and the end of the bull run. That's crazy to me. Top 5 people to not follow on TikTok. I'm not going to do that. Sorry. Should I switch my SHIB to FTM? I think so. Yeah. ETH end of cycle and peak January, $15,000, and I think it's going to peak in January. Thoughts on Stellar Lumens, $2 to $3 or so. Top 3 coins other than Bitcoin and ETH. Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Solana, and Quant. I know I said 5, but can HBAR go to $100 in the future? Maybe one day. Thoughts on Cosmos? Cosmos has pumped a lot. I really like Cosmos. I like Quant more. They're similar in several ways. I think Cosmos will go to $100. Let's see. Yeah, Rachel. Yeah, definitely. Sorry. I'm sure that you saw that I answered your question. So would you buy Litecoin if it drops 95%? It just depends on the timing. I'm going to buy Litecoin when, again, in the bear market, when Bitcoin gets back to its, what is it? It's 200-week simple moving average. I think that's going to be around where the bear market bottom is. Do I think XRP could reach $100? That seems a little aggressive. Bro, I want to believe so hard in your predictions about Litecoin. I mean, all right, if I'm wrong about this, then look, cryptos are going to pump. They're due to pump. Good afternoon, C-Bo. Anchor Silent Giant, it might be. How long do you think the bear market will last? Until the next halving, but, 2024 or so. But 2023 is going to be a great time to buy. What should I buy for my kids long-term until they get 20 years old? So, Rob, only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Things that I am convinced will last for 20 years, that's what I'm going to buy. I am 100% convinced, aside from like the internet shutting off, that Bitcoin and Ethereum will last 20 years. I wouldn't say I'm 100% convinced about anything else. So Bounce Token, I don't know anything about Bounce Token. What are the reasons for Bitcoin to go bearish or bullish? Is it random or are there events or something like that? NoobTube, you got to understand halvings. $8 or so. Block on KuCoin. Okay, I don't know anything about it. EGLD, I don't have a prediction on EGLD. Crow to 50 cents. StormX and XLM just higher. I don't have a price prediction on StormX, but XLM $2 to $3. $8 to $8. Should I sell my Bitcoin? I would say never sell your Bitcoin, but if you do, fine. You're welcome, Rachel. I hate Litecoin too, but he might be right. Any popular large cap coins now that you don't think will survive the bear market? No, I think all of the top 20 will survive the bear market. So I think what happens in general is that things just slowly bleed, Oh my goodness, ADA, $8. I think, so, I mean, look at something like EOS or NEO. Those might be dying. But the way that they're dying is that they're just not going back to their previous highs from the last cycle. Let's see. You think we'll get a better chance to get into some really low cap alts in the coming days, or is it fastest to get everything now? Low cap. I mean, I just think that large cap alts are going to outperform low cap alts at the 20. Over the next couple months. So yeah, Trump Rule 67, this chat's hot. But you'll have time. I think you have like 3 weeks to get into low cap alts, including Doge and SHIB. I hope not. I'm not talking about Doge. I'm not sure what you're saying. Doge and SHIB will go up like everything else. So XLM or HBAR for short term, which will give more gains. I would say XLM. What about AM 50 cents? Favorite DeFi project? I like PancakeSwap a lot. Why will Solana beat Ethereum? I'm not saying it's going to beat Ethereum. Shiba will flip Bitcoin, right? Yeah, right. Top 5 alts to pick now. That's definitely different than my top 5 long-term alts. Litecoin, VRA. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. I'm blanking right now. I don't know. How do you think VXV will hold up in the bear market? I'm not expecting much from VXV in the bear market, but that's a good one to buy in the bear market, throughout the bear market. So will it be smart to sell ETH in January? It just depends, It just depends. No, I think SHIB is going to survive the bear market. I think this recent pump confirms in my mind that SHIB will do very poorly in the bear market. It's going to flatline, and you're going to think it's dead. But I think SHIB will have a run in 4 years. Polkastarter, I like Polkastarter. I don't have any price predictions for Polkastarter. For you, do you have a Discord or Telegram? I have a Telegram. I don't post much in it. Sorry. Should I sell Litecoin in November or January? January. How much will GRT reach? I have no idea. My boy CVO Crypto says that it's going to $20 to $25, but he's more bullish in general than I am. What's up, Dean and Bance? Is it best to sell in January than buy back in all the Bitcoin ETH once all 80% down? You know, in general, yes. I'm not messing around with that. You know, I like having Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm probably going to sell more of my Ethereum than I've been talking about. So, all right, thoughts on BPro. Gambling on the blockchain makes sense. So bullish on BPro. I'm not touching it just because, you know, that's a personal thing. I just don't want to mess with gambling stuff. Price prediction for these coins is best to think all will drop 80% like ETH-matic. Yeah, I think a lot of them are going to drop 80%. So why 4 years? You got to understand halvings. You've got to understand halvings. You think the next bull run won't happen for 4 years? No. I mean, it's going to be like, you know, if we peak in December, there's going to be incredible buying opportunities. Guys, follow me on TikTok. I'm 2,000 followers away from 100,000 followers. I am the one you go to for Bitcoin. And I have no qualms saying that. For other cryptos, go to other people. But for Bitcoin, thank you for following me. Is this financial? This is not financial advice, Crypto Corner. Thank you for making me disclose that. So the bear market is 15K enough to invest. I think you'll get to $1 million if you invest 50K in the bear market. Coins that are most likely to 4 to 5x. Lots of them. I think more than 50% of cryptos are going to 4 to 5x over the next few months. So thank you, Allen's. VRA, very bullish short term on VRA. What's the next big small cap? I'm not the small cap guy to talk to. Follow the blockchain boy, follow Crypto Weatherman, follow CVO Crypto. So I was 8,000, listen to you, 290,000. What? But thank you, Jan Kosh. Have I heard of Block? I've heard a little bit, but not a ton. So Algo $7 will be the top on ETH, ADA, and XRP, 15,008, 8 and 8, or 15,008 and 8. Solana, very bullish on Solana long term. I think it's had its biggest pump. I got you up to 29,000. All right. Are there any alts that were top 10 in 2013, 2017 that have disappeared this run? A lot of them have. 9 of the top 50 cryptos from 2016 still exist. But the market is much more mature now. I know you said you were putting all in, but are you putting any in this last week? Oh, yeah. Well, all right. Yeah. Yes. So I dug up some more fiat to put in, and I'm putting it in by the end of the month. When do we take profits on Bitcoin, December or November? I'd say December. Thoughts on MTV, buy and try? I don't know. Sorry, I don't know enough about any of those. Thoughts on Hot and Ren Holochain? Anything that is like not blockchain is intriguing to me. So HBAR, Tactical Mofongo, wait till the bear market for SHIB. HBAR is a hash graph cryptocurrency, holochain. It's not a blockchain cryptocurrency. It's a holochain cryptocurrency. So I want some exposure to that. And I think holochain is going to 10 to 20x. When will you buy Bitcoin after it peaks? About a year after it peaks. Will you invest into Litecoin in the bear market? Yeah, around the time that I buy some Bitcoin, I'm going to get some Litecoin for short-term gains. So I had $1,000 to invest short-term. I put in Litecoin. Was that the best choice for short-term? I think risk-wise, when you factor in risk plus potential gains, I think that's the best one. Should I buy more Solana? Yes. What are you going to buy this week? I don't know. I haven't really considered all that much what I'm going to buy this week. So I transferred some ETH to KuCoin. And I will be converting that to some, I transferred 1 ETH to KuCoin. I probably should have transferred something else, but I transferred 1 ETH to KuCoin. I'm going to play the small cap game. Listen to Crypto Weatherman and CVO Crypto about that. I know large caps are safer. When I sell my altcoins in bull market, should I keep my profits in stablecoin or move to Bitcoin and ETH? I would, for the first year, move to stablecoins, get some staking, and then slowly over, after the first year, move that to Bitcoin and ETH. So I bought 50 Solana at $20 and didn't buy after that. Should I still buy? No, buy something else. Do you think VXV to get to $1,000 next cycle? It could. It could. Thank you, Tayab. Sorry, I'm going back down. I'm going back down to the bottom. CVO communities fire. Yes, sir. Shiba Inu to the moon. Robinhood listings today. I don't know about that. Should I buy STX, XLM, and AMP now? I think whatever you want to buy, like most cryptos are going to pump like crazy over the next few months, and you should just buy by the end of the month. So what do you think about Nano? Nano has been underperforming. I expect it to continue to underperform. So CVO thinks Neo is still a 13 to 50x this run. Oh man, any crypto that hasn't yet crossed this 2017 high, I'm a little skeptical about. A little. So I hope it does. During the bear market, should we lend stablecoins at 8 to 20%? I think you should stake. Yeah. How can we avoid tax in crypto, non-KYC platforms? Let's see. I haven't heard anything about a Robinhood listing for Shiba Inu. I don't think that's true. DeFi 2.0. What? Hot is below a penny again. I think it will go higher. Yeah, I think it's going to go to like 10 or 20 cents. You plan to put six figures in a Litecoin in the bear market? No, Joshua, no. I said Solana. I'm probably going to put six figures into Solana in the bear market. I would love to get a CryptoPunk in the bear market. I don't think I'm going to be able to, though. Thoughts on Link, $100 or so. When is Q4 bull run over approximately? I think Bitcoin is going to peak on or around December 21st. What do you know about gaming tokens? So, Axie Infinity gaming it makes a ton of sense with NFTs. So Axie, Mana, lots of other ones, very bullish long term. Let's see, Quant 5X, maybe. Should I buy Bitcoin? Still haven't bought. Yeah, everyone should have some Bitcoin. When is altcoins turn to fly? November. I've been saying mid-November will be a big time for alts. That's what I thought. Yeah. Oh, did I say Litecoin? Sorry, I meant Solana. Yeah, I'm buying Solana. I'm buying six figures of Solana in the bear market. Highest price SHIB can hit in 4 years. I'm not saying a penny. Yeah, hollow 10x this bull run. I'm not saying a penny for SHIB. No, that's a $5 trillion market cap. You guys, they burn, but they burn like millions of SHIB. There's 500 trillion SHIB in existence. That's like that's such a small amount of SHIB that they're burning. Web 3.0, I mean, IOTA, internet computer, there's a future for those. Have you looked into Zilliqa early? Zilliqa's a good short-term. Well, no, I think Zilliqa's going to pump. So I refuse to not be a millionaire in the next 4 years. Yes, there we go, Rel. 100K from crypto, taking half that out and waiting for the bear market. I'm naming my next son Alex. Thank you. Yeah, name your children Alex. Name them after me. Top 20 cryptos should I continue to buy or wait till the bear market? I think top 20 cryptos are the safest to buy right now. When is bear market coming? Early 2022. Bitcoin or Ethereum? Over the next 10 years, I'd say Ethereum. Over the next 100 years, I'd say Bitcoin. When to take Litecoin and ETH profits, December or January? It just depends. I think they're going to peak in January. So logically, it would make sense that would be the time that they peak. What do you think Solana will reach the next cycle after this? Whatever Ethereum reaches this cycle, I think Solana is going to reach that next cycle, which is why I'm buying six figures of Solana. Why do you think XRP is going to $8? Consider it's at $1. There's an ongoing lawsuit. I am bearish on Solana in comparison to a lot of people. Or sorry, not Solana. Sorry, not Solana. XRP. I'm bearish on XRP in comparison to a lot of people. XRP will rise when the rest of the market rises. So do you think Bitcoin will outperform large cap alts for the next month or so? The next couple of weeks, but not the next month. XRP Proton, don't really know enough. Crypto Corner. The lower crypto is the higher NFTs go, so good luck with that. You might be right about that, V Mike, and maybe I'm crazy for thinking that I'll be able to buy some cheap NFTs. I just think that NFTs, their floor prices will go down with crypto. That the bear market. Anyway, Ross, man, I'm sorry. I'm gonna shut down my Patreon account. So no, I'm not gonna post. What crap coin you invest in just for giggles? I don't know. SHIB? How much do you think Phantom will reach? I don't have a price prediction for Phantom. All my kids will be named Alex. There we go. Solana bear prices, maybe around where it is now, maybe a little lower. I own one Bitcoin or equivalent value in alts. I mean, short term equivalent value in alts. All my altcoins, I invest in altcoins so that I can acquire more Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sorry, Ashan, nope. I have 3K in Bitcoin. Would you sell in December and buy more in the bear market? I mean, I guess if it's 3K, fine, but I'd rather keep it. Yeah, I don't know. He would just hold. Yeah. Thoughts on the graph? I don't have any price predictions on the graph. CVO crypto is very bullish. What would you invest right now in 6 figures? I mean, if it's 6 figures and it's only one crypto, I'd go like large cap. I mean, if I wanted to spread it out, if that's what you're asking, I mean, 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin, and then I'd spread the rest out. Dot. Yeah, Autumn Marie, sure. Yeah, I'll give my low predictions in the bear market. So Dot, Solana, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Cardano, XRP, XLM, VeChain. You're welcome, Robert. See you later, Robert. They may be a little cheaper, but it's all relative. Like the floor drops 2x for projects, but ETH is up 2x from when they released. That's a good point. That's a good point, V Mike. Are you going to give more live updates for larger cap coin? We think it's a good time to sell. Yeah, for sure. ETH prediction by December end 9,000, 8,000, 9,000, something like that. HBAR $2. It's a long-term hold for me. Alts are supposed to pump in November and January. What will they do in December? Some alts will pump in December. They'll rise with Bitcoin, but it's going to be Bitcoin's time, in my opinion. FTT making better moves than BNB. Yeah, BNB is what, the number 4 crypto by market cap. There's a lot more room for FTT to pump. Hey, hot stuff. Hey, Harley Sparkles. Hot stuff. Thought on Proppy. Don't know enough. ETH 20K February. No. Maybe it'll go to 20K when it peaks, but SHIB price prediction like a 3x from here. If you buy today, what would you buy? Litecoin. Should we sell before November dip? No, not in my opinion. No. Did you invest in Bitcoin during the peak of Silk Road? No. I invested in crypto in December of 2013. So like right at the end of like right after the end of that bull run. So even if the lawsuit goes into the bear, do you think XRP can reach 8? Yes. Filecoin, I don't have a prediction for Filecoin. Should I hold Solana during bear market? I'm selling all my Solana. I'm tempted to say that should be a long-term hold. I just, I'm going to load up I just really want to load up on my Solana in the bear market. ETH pullback from 15K below 3,000 or so. That's way too long. Something's way too long. Some people think alts will pump until April. No. How long am I holding HBAR? 10 years or so. XLM or XRP? I'd say XLM. Link prediction, short and long term. $100 at its peak in January or so. And I don't know, long term, I could see it going to 4 figures this decade. What do you see Cardano going to $8? If you had to choose between Dot or Link, I'd say Dot. How do you put ETH from Coinbase to KuCoin? Man, there's ways to transfer. You need to copy a wallet address. Watch my video on staking on PancakeSwap on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, by the way. Those of you watching on TikTok, watch my video on staking on PancakeSwap. Just follow those same directions on transferring. How does the bull market work, and what would you do? What do you do during it, and how long is it? Bull market, I think, is going to peak in a few months. And you just hold on tight for the ride, and then try to sell. Don't be a bag holder at the end. Thoughts on BAT? I'm not too bullish on BAT. I just don't think the Brave browser is a really big one. I don't think the Brave browser is going to catch on, so I'm not bullish on BAT. I don't have a Filecoin prediction. Matic $8. Where can you buy VRA? You can buy it on KuCoin, I think. SHIB overtake Doge, and market cap, it seems like it will. But I think Doge will have another little run in it. So how low do you think Link will go after a 20 sell order at $100? Man, Link's not that volatile in comparison to other cryptos. So maybe like $35 or so. What do you think Solana will go to next bull run? Where ETH goes this bull run? Elrond prediction. No predictions, but bullish on Elrond. Their tokenomics are phenomenal. Thoughts on ETH end of January, peak at $15,000 in January, end of January be like $8,000. Thank you, Susie. Really appreciate that. ETH or Matic ETH? Why is the one thing every single person and their mom is sure of is that there will be a bear market next year? I don't know. I mean, I've been consistent and I've been on point, Crypto Corner. That's a good question. I hope I'm wrong. I hope we just keep on pumping because I'm not selling all my crypto. So I'm going to lock my DOT in the parachain slot auctions. No. I'm just going to sell it. ETH or Matic for short term. Yeah, ETH. I got 2K left to put in. I already got Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, Polygon, XLM. What else should I get for good short term gains? I'd go smaller cap. VRA, lossless. Did you stake your Hex? Yeah, I staked it until 2025. Do you keep buying the bear market and hold for 4 years until the bull market? What else? VRA, Telcoin. Yeah, Telcoin. Should I sell 5K worth of Solana for Matic and XLM? No. Rune prediction, I don't have one. Higher, but I know Thorchain's been pumping like crazy. Will I sell any of my Bitcoin and ETH at the end of the year? Not my Bitcoin. And definitely not my ETH by the end of the year because I think it's peaking in January. Is $2,000 a good target for Litecoin? I mean, that's a great target. I hope it goes to $2,000. I don't think it will, but I think $1,500. If you was to buy today, what would you buy between DOT and Matic? Ooh, man. DOT's been pumping a lot lately, so I would say Matic. What coin that costs below $10 has potential to be 4 figures in the next bull run? None? No, I don't know. Insane clown posse, okay? You think 10K, mean 10K Solana next bull run? I do, yeah. When you planning to exit the market? December and January, something like that. If I put 6 figures into Bitcoin, are you 99% sure it'll go to 100 to 200K in December? I'm never going to say 99% sure on anything. I just don't want to do that. I'll say 95% sure. 100K in December. I mean, I think it's going to hit 100K in November. So what's the best strategy to better milk in the next few weeks? What? If I put 6 figures in a big, all right, let's see. You mentioned rest of week flat. We close around 63K, but leverage ratio and open interest says we should get a nasty move sometime this week. Rikes, you might be right about that. I mean, I thought we had been flushed out already because, we really, did get flushed out a bit already. Alon's, I really respect your opinions. Any thoughts on Grayscale stocks, GBTC and ETHE, been in 4 years? I mean, so Grayscale is at a discount right now. Once they convert to an ETF, very bullish. I'd rather own actual Bitcoin and ETH. Oh, 5K in the bear market. Oh, I'm not sure what you're saying. My thoughts on VThor. Thank you, Nick Guy. Thoughts on VThor? I like VChain, so I like VThor. I don't have any price predictions or anything. If crypto will crash after peaking, will stock market follow suit? No, not necessarily. So why not short-term invest in SHIB? I think things are going to outperform SHIB. But why not sell at peak and buy Solana, Bitcoin, ETH, et cetera, in the Ethereum Classic in the dip? I mean, you can do that, Dean and Vance. I'm telling you, I'm not playing around with that. Not for my Bitcoin. I feel like I feel like a broken record when I say that. And it's just let me be me, It's not for everyone, but like Michael Saylor's not selling his Bitcoin, Max Kaiser's not selling his Bitcoin, the Winklevi are not selling their Bitcoin. Let me be like them, Oh, I love you guys. Anyway, when am I going in on Solana? I told on July 15th, I made a video saying I was going in on Solana when it was at like $20. If crypto will crash after peaking, I answered that. KCS has been one of the biggest moves of late. Do you see them continuing in top 50 market cap? Yeah. KuCoin has a niche, man. Why Hex till 2025? Because I didn't know that Hex might be a scam. And so I was like, okay, you know what? I bought $500 in December. It turned into $20,000. And I'm like, I'm just going to stake this until 2025. Why not? It was WTF money. Oh man. Why do you say ETH before Matic for short term? I mean, I didn't mean for short term. I meant for like the rest of the run. So how low do you see ETH going in the bear market? Like under $3,000 a little bit. VRA already pumped a bit. Fractal is a good low cap. Okay. CVO and Crypto Weatherman recommended it. Then get in, man. Yeah. I bought TIAS. Did I make a mistake? Did you mean Trias? Most of your predictions are really very solid. Thank you. Oh, okay, yeah. I don't know if you made a mistake. I haven't been paying attention to the charts. All right. Do you think the major sell-off for altcoins in January and Bitcoin in December will cause problems for attempting to sell on gains on exchanges? Maybe. So that's why you take profits often. That's a good reason why you would take profits often. Do you own any gold or silver? Yes. I might buy some gold in the bear market. I own a decent amount of silver. Just, I think crypto is going to outperform gold and silver. If you only had 2K to spend, what would you go for? Litecoin and Ethereum. Can Vector Space at $100 in November? Yes. Bitcoin December 21st. What about ETH 27 days after Bitcoin peaks? Yeah, Crypto Weatherman made you much money. He's a weatherman. 7-day forecast, man. Yeah. Bitcoin 67 to 54. I don't think so. Was the last crash caused by any event or just random? What last crash? Fun Zone. Okay, bye, Fun Zone. Bye, Fun Zone. Goodbye. Oh, man. All right, I'm running out of steam. Sorry, my nose is running. I hope I don't have COVID. I don't have COVID, but my nose is running. I'm done for today. I said if you only had 2K to spend, what would you go for? I said Litecoin and Ethereum. All right. Follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin, on Instagram, World War Bitcoin. FTM is going to go higher. I don't have a price prediction. You've got to follow me on TikTok, guys. Follow me on TikTok. I am the chosen one. I'm kidding. Download the Voyager app. You want to invest? Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you will skip the waiting list. $25 of free Bitcoin. You skip the waiting list after a deposit of $100. So follow me on, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin, and please, if you're not following me on TikTok, I am so close to 100,000 followers. I'm at 98.1K right now. I would love to get to $100,000. It would make all of my wildest dreams come true. So thank you all so much for your time. Sorry, no more predictions. I'm done. But I will be back tomorrow a little after noon, hopefully. So thank you all. Thank you all.